Hello guys, this is a quick video where I want to talk to you about a discovery that I made relating to these computer motherboards and the cost reduction that companies make, which in the end hurts the buyers a lot. Okay, so I have a ton of these seemingly identical motherboards because I've been working on this HP all-in-one that had two motherboards fail on me. So I bought three of them from eBay. So I have 5 of these motherboards, and I noticed something interesting. Look at this capacitor over here. Look at its color. Look at this one over here. On the other side of the board, those capacitors right there are black. And here they are, I don't know, yellow or yeah, whatever. Not really sure. Okay, I've turned the motherboards around so you can get a better look. Black capacitor, yellow capacitor, and let's look at the motherboard revision. Right there, don't know if you can see it, it's 03H. On this one, yeah, it's upside down, so all the electrons are going to fall out of it. It's 03L. So this is a later model of the same revision, actually not model, of the same motherboard. Now let me explain you what they did here. It might not be that obvious to some of you. They designed this thing and then they started the internal cost reduction. They tried to make it as cheap as possible so it still works without breaking too easily. Well, they started to sell these things and they started failing a lot. If you search on forums, these things always fail. Now they realized, okay, we went too far with the low quality. We need to increase the quality just a little bit. And let me just show you some areas where you can actually see the increased quality. The capacitors, I cannot tell you exactly which company makes which of these capacitors. These ones seem to be a bit bigger for the same value, so maybe that's a sign that they are a little bit better. Not sure, I cannot tell you about that one. But other things on the motherboard itself. For example, look at these conductive pads. You can see how nicely shaped they are. They, I don't know, they have a really nice shape to them. They are rectangles, I don't know how to call them. Look at these ones. They are almost round at the corners. And I've seen some other small details of lower quality on the original board, original revision, that started failing. So they had to increase the quality to a point where they didn't have so many warranty claims. And if you think that I'm crazy about this, I have 2 failed motherboards. Where are they? This is one. I bought the computer with this one. This is dead. I tried to reflow the chipset, anything I could think of. This one doesn't power on. Then I bought another one from the same seller that I bought all of these, not the original one, with black caps. You can see them right there in the middle. They are the black ones. This worked for a few days. These are all second-hand. You cannot buy these things new anymore. This is an old system. A few days, then it started to not power on. Well, then I went and bought 3 of them. 2 of them came with these caps on and are working beautifully. Absolutely no problems. The third one is with the black caps and it's making a squeaking high-pitched noise, And at the first startup, because I tested all of them to make sure all three actually work, because I want to keep them as a backup, because they could fail again and I want to use this as much as I can. First time I powered it on, the light went off for a few times in the display, which is powered directly from this motherboard. Actually not directly, it's getting powered through a wire here, then an inverter, actually not an inverter, just a driver, because this is LED powered, LED backlit. So this is also bad. This is the third motherboard with black caps and low quality that is going to fail, and the other two ones are working perfectly. Is that a coincidence? I don't think so. Let me just show you another sign of lower quality. You can see this is, I don't know, it doesn't have many scratches, it's pretty thick, it's good, decent. Well, yeah, that doesn't look the same, does it? This thing, I cannot, we don't have a field of vision yet. This is pretty strong. This is way fluffier, I don't know, it bends weirder. This one is, you can feel it's well made. And this whole board, when you pick it up, it feels better made than this one. This one has a few areas where actually plastic already failed. This is a second-hand board, but cheaper plastic is more brittle. So if things start breaking easily, sign of cheapness. On this, with these caps on, they are way better. So yeah, sadly this is the society that we live in. This is what manufacturers do to actually make money, because if one manufacturer does this, they will have cheaper products and they will make more money than the others, although their products are in the end the bad choice for the buyer. Most buyers have no clue about these things, which is sad, but this is the reality. So yeah, I don't know, I'm going to be using one of these, obviously, keep the other one as a backup, and this one as last minute solution. I hope I never need to use that. I hope these two will give me a few good years of working time. So yeah, oh sorry, not that one, that one is a bad one, that one over there is a good one. Yeah, anyway, I'm sure this is not related just to motherboards, is to cars, to everything in what we buy these days. So this has been it, guys, for this video. Hopefully, I don't know, it opens up eyes for some people. Many others already know this, but yeah, I just felt I needed to make a video about this discovery that I made. So thanks for watching, hopefully you've enjoyed it, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Hopefully a more cheerful video.